In this talk, we are going to talk about the Java's role in software development. Java plays a significant role in software development across various domains and industries due to its versatility, robustness, and portability. And I'm going to explain you what it looks like. Here are some key aspects of Java's role in software development. You will see on next slide. Now we are going to know about the Java's role in software development. First, we have the platform independence. Second, we have the versatility. These are the roles which I'm just discussing about. Object-oriented programming. We have object-oriented programming in Java. That is OOP concept we have in that. And in Java we have the scalability and performance. And fifth one is a rich standard libraries. We will discuss all these one by one, so that you will get to know that what are the roles of Java exactly. Okay, let me talk about the sixth one is a security. Java's I'll explain in detail, but just I'm telling you to keep in mind that these are the main roles of Java. Seventh is enterprise solutions. Eighth one is Android development. Ninth one is community support and ecosystem. Okay, let me talk about the platform independence. What it means, like what is the platform independence means here. Okay. Platform independence means that write once, run anywhere. WORA capabilities allow developer to write code on one platform and execute it on any other platform without modification. This portability is achieved through the Java virtual machine. In short, we call it as a JVM, which interprets Java bytecode. Okay, now we are going to talk about the second role of Java is versatility. Second role of Java is versatility. Okay, Java is used in a wide range of applications, from enterprise level system to web development. Mobile applications like Android applications, scientific applications is there, embedded systems, and so on. Okay, let me talk about the third role of Java is object-oriented programming. Java's strong support for OOP concept like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism facilitates modular, reusable, and maintainable code. Make it easier to design complex systems. These are the roles of Java language which we are discussing. Okay, let me go for the fourth one is scalability and performance. Java offers scalability, enabling the development of applications that can handle increased workload without significant changes. Additionally, modern Java implementations boast high performance through just-in-time JIT compilation and optimization technique. JIT, just-in-time. Okay, let me talk about the fifth one, that is a rich standard library. These are the Java's role which we are discussing. Yes, just I'm recalling you so that you will remember what we are discussing right now. Java provides a vast standard library, like Java APIs is there, covering a wide range of utilities for networking. Input-output data structures is there. Input-output data structures is there. GUI programming. GUI stands for graphical user interface. GUI stands for graphical user interface. GUI programming like Swing, Java effects, and concurrency, and more. Okay, let me talk about the sixth one. This is, you can say, the main role of Java, which attract more people because Java has a good security features. Okay, if we talk about the security of Java, Java emphasizes security through features like its robustness and sandboxing model, which restrict potential harmful actions, and a built-in mechanism for handling exceptions and managing memories. And if I talk about the rich standard library, once just I would like to add something there. This extensive rich standard library, these extensive libraries reduces the need for developers to build functionalities from scratch. That is something what it means, rich standard library. Okay, I hope so it is clear to you. Okay, let me go for the seventh role of Java is enterprise solutions. We can get the enterprise solutions in Java languages. Like Java is widely used in enterprise environments for developing large scale systems, including backend services, enterprise applications, banking systems, and e-commerce platforms. And if I talk about the frameworks, like Spring provide robust support for building enterprise applications. Okay, I hope so that is clear to you. Now I'm going to explain the eighth place where we can use the Java language, that is Android development. Eighth one is Android development. Java has been the primary language for Android app development, offering a rich set of libraries and tools within the Android SDK, so that we can use Java language and we can build the Android applications. Okay, let me go for the ninth place where we can use Java languages. Okay, that is not the way. Ninth one is a community support and ecosystem. If I talk about the community support and ecosystem of Java programming language, that is like Java has a vast and active community of developers. Java has a vast and active community of developers offering support, resources, frameworks, and third-party libraries that contribute to the language growth and innovations. And if I tell you more about it, is like Java's, if I conclude, then that is like Java's adaptability, portability, strong ecosystem, and emphasis on reliability have solidified its position as a leading language in the software development landscape, enabling developers to build scalable, secure, and versatile applications across diverse platforms and industries. Okay. Now we have covered what is the Java's role in software development. Yes, and these are the main roles. Now we have seen one by one all these places where we can use the Java. And in the last, we have discussed about the community support and ecosystem. What about it? Yes, I hope so everything is and the main thing, we have seen the security, enterprise solutions, and we have already discussed about the Android development also. Okay, so that is final, and now we have completed all these Java's role in software development. Now okay, that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, learn Java and be happy.